most controversial Bigg Boss contestants over the years. One thing is constant through among all the seasons of Bigg Boss, that is, heated arguments. Contestants have engaged in very ugly fights, and many relationships have broken in the process. Here is taking a look at some of the most controversial contestants in Bigg Boss over all the 14 seasons. Not only did these participants get into huge fights, they even threw fits. Priyanka Jagga, Season 10. Priyanka Jagga, who appeared in the 10th season, was so disruptive and loud that host Salman Khan asked her to leave the show. He also promised that he would quit working if Colors continued its association with her. Priyanka created a lot of drama during the time she was in the house. She challenged the relationship of Mona Lisa and Manu Punjabi, passed insensitive remarks about Manu's deceased mother, tried to defame Lopamudra Raut, and got into frequent arguments with Bunny and the other housemates. Om Swami, Season 10. Self-proclaimed godman Om Swami crossed all boundaries and became one of the most annoying contestants of Bigg Boss 10. He was pulled up every weekend by Salman for his abusive language, abhorrent remarks on women, and poor conduct. He crossed all limits when he tried to break the bathroom door. Om Swami was very aggressive too. Puneet Issar, Season 8. Puneet was the mastermind when it came to creating rifts in the Bigg Boss house. He would also say uncomfortable things about his fellow housemates all the time. When that would lead to clashes between the participants, Puneet would become innocent. Puneet did everything, fought, rabbled, and even played tricks to get nominated. Imam Siddiqui, Season 6. While Om Swami had threatened to strip on the show, Imam actually went ahead and did it. He was infamous for his fights with the housemates. He had scared the contestants once by calling himself a Hewan, and even launched into a full-blown argument with Salman Khan. His outrageous behavior finally compelled Bigg Boss to throw him out. Pooja Misra, Season 5. Pooja Misra was one of the most defiant, violent, and irritating competitors in the history of Bigg Boss. She gave us the catchphrase, "Spare me." She was abusive and had even hit Siddharth Bharadwaj, causing her to be evicted from the show. She also had a huge fight with Vidya, Shonali, and Amar. Dolly Bindra, Season 4. She was popularly known as Dolly Bomb in Bigg Boss Season 4. Dolly Bindra clashed with almost everyone in the house. She had a massive showdown with Bhojpuri actor Manoj Tiwari, and this led to a heated argument between the two. Dolly is best remembered for the phrase "Baap pe mat jana." Surbhi Rana, Season 12. Be it Roadies or Bigg Boss 12, contestants in both the shows were offended by this actor. She used to lose her calm at the drop of a hat. Her non-stop rant for 7 long minutes is still remembered. Salman had asked Surbhi to calm down a number of times, but in vain. Surbhi was one of the biggest loudmouths of the season. Shefali Bagga, Season 13. Shefali Bagga came under the lens after she had asked co-contestant Aarti Singh some uncomfortable questions about her past relationships. Netizens called Shefali out for asking below-the-belt questions. Shefali continued to bother other contestants as well, and even went on to call Siddharth Shukla a vela, jobless actor. Rakhi Sawant, Season 1. The first season itself saw one of the most controversial faces of TV, Rakhi Sawant. The manner in which she would shout and take a dig at her fellow contestants annoyed everyone in the house. Another contestant, Kashmira Shah entered with a plan in mind and quickly turned everyone against Rakhi Sawant.